Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Escape to tranquility. Why design your dream bedroom in Mediterranean style? The Mediterranean style beckons you to create a bedroom that's both calming and vibrant. It's a space that evokes feelings of relaxation, sunshine, and a connection to the sea. Here's why you should consider transforming your sleep haven into a Mediterranean masterpiece, a serene escape. The Mediterranean style emphasizes natural materials, calming colors, and clean lines. This creates a tranquil atmosphere that promotes restful sleep and a sense of escape from everyday stress. Embrace the sun. Large windows and airy layouts are hallmarks of the Mediterranean style. They allow natural light to flood the space, creating a bright and cheerful atmosphere that energizes you in the morning. A touch of the sea. The color palette often draws inspiration from the Mediterranean coast. Think calming blues and turquoises reminiscent of the ocean, paired with crisp whites and earthy tones like terracotta for a touch of warmth. Rustic elegance. Natural materials like terracotta tiles, exposed beams, and woven furniture add a touch of rustic charm. This creates a sense of warmth and invites the outdoors in. Timeless appeal. The Mediterranean style is known for its classic elegance. By focusing on natural materials and a simple color scheme, you create a bedroom that will remain stylish for years to come. Versatility for any climate. Whether you live by the sea or far inland, the Mediterranean style can be adapted. Embrace light and airy elements in warmer climates, and incorporate cozy textures like throws and rugs in cooler areas. The Mediterranean bedroom isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that promotes relaxation, rejuvenation, and a connection to the beauty of nature. It's your own personal oasis, a place to unwind and recharge for the day ahead. Setting sail for serenity. Getting started with your Mediterranean dream bedroom. The Mediterranean bedroom beckons you with its promise of sun-drenched tranquility. Here's a guide to get you started on transforming your sleep haven into a breezy oasis. 1. Embrace the light and air. Maximize natural light. Assess your windows. Consider enlarging existing ones or adding strategically placed windows to flood the space with natural light. Light and airy walls. Opt for light-colored paint for your walls. Think whites, creams, or light yellows. These colors create a sense of spaciousness and reflect natural light, enhancing the airy feel. 2. Introduce calming colors. A touch of the sea. Incorporate calming blues and turquoises into your bedding. Throw pillows, or artwork. These colors evoke the serenity of the Mediterranean coast and promote relaxation. Earthy accents. Balance the cool blues with warm, earthy tones like terracotta or ochre. Consider using these colors for accent walls, throw rugs, or decorative pieces to add depth and a touch of rustic charm. 3. Natural materials for a warm ambience. Flooring. Consider natural stone or terracotta tiles for a touch of rustic elegance. Opt for light-colored options to complement the airy feel. Alternatively, light-colored wood floors can also create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Furniture. Opt for furniture crafted from natural materials like wood or wrought iron. Look for pieces with simple lines and a touch of rustic charm. Consider lighter woods or painted furniture in calming colors. Woven textures. Introduce woven textures like wicker baskets, jute rugs, or a woven headboard to add a touch of casual elegance and a connection to nature. 4. A touch of the outdoors. Bring in the greenery. Decorate with houseplants that thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Fiddle leaf figs, olive trees, or snake plants are all good options. Textiles with botanical motifs. Consider throw pillows, curtains, or even bed sheets with botanical patterns to add a touch of nature-inspired flair. 5. Lighting for ambience. Layered lighting. Create a layered lighting scheme. Combine overhead lighting with table lamps and strategically placed sconces for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Wrought iron fixtures. Opt for lighting fixtures made of wrought iron for a touch of rustic charm that complements the overall Mediterranean style. Remember, the key to a Mediterranean bedroom is creating a balance between calming colors, natural materials, and touches that evoke the beauty of the Mediterranean coast. With a little planning, you can transform your bedroom into a tranquil oasis that invites relaxation and rejuvenation. Dive into serenity. Explore stunning Mediterranean bedroom designs in this video. Dreaming of transforming your bedroom into a tranquil escape bathed in sunshine? Set sail for sleep sanctuary with this video. Insert video link here. Get ready to be swept away by a visual feast. This video showcases a breathtaking collection of Mediterranean bedroom designs, from breezy coastal retreats to rustically charming havens. Here's why you can't miss it. Spark your design dreams. Discover a variety of stunning Mediterranean bedroom ideas to suit your taste. Whether you crave a light and airy escape or a touch of rustic elegance, learn from the experts. See how professionals create calming spaces with natural materials. Incorporate pops of color for a touch of vibrancy, and design layouts that maximize natural light. Find inspiration for any budget. Explore design solutions that demonstrate how to achieve the Mediterranean aesthetic with various materials and furniture choices. Unlock the secrets of relaxation. Learn how to design a bedroom that promotes restful sleep, fosters a connection with nature, and becomes your own personal oasis. So, ditch the sleepless nights and embrace tranquility. Watch this video today and start planning your dream Mediterranean bedroom. Let's create a sleep haven inspired by the beauty of the Mediterranean, a space that invites relaxation and rejuvenation for a refreshed start each day. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.